Hello everyone, I am Shashank Kumar, co-founder and CTO at EZdiagno. Our product demo link is www.ezdiagno.com:6543/demo. Before I start the demo, I'll ask you to go through the demo instructions first, which provides you the basic steps to get an end-to-end experience. We provide two interfaces, one is for the lab manager and another is for the normal user who is doing the booking, that corresponding lab. So let me just start with how the user interface looks like. When I log in, the credentials are present in the instructions. So you can do a booking through this search page. The current bookings, these are the current bookings which are pre-populated. So let me go start with booking. We are currently targeting only one user and one lab. So the corresponding lab is present in locality known as Rajajinagar, and the corresponding tests, one of the tests which that lab provides is both axial and coronal test, and HPS. So this SSV diagnostics is the one we are actually targeting. You can also book appointments for other diagnostics, but that will not show up in the lab dashboard. Okay, when I do a booking, it automatically books for the current date at a random hour. This is the booking ID for that booking. When you go to that booking, that ID will show up. This is the one that he booked. Now let me go to the lab dashboard to see how this works. The username and password are again present on the instructions. So this is the basic lab information. This is the analytics data, which is basically the number of bookings, trend, and the revenue trend per day. Now when I go to bookings, it will show up all the bookings for that. So these are basically grouped in three, which is today bookings, upcoming, and the past. So this is how the basic flow works. User does the booking, it shows up in this lab dashboard. When the user goes for that corresponding test, the lab manager has to check in that user. For the check-in, there is a passcode which is provided to the user either by mail or his mobile number. Now the corresponding passcode is ABCDEF. Now when he checks in, so basically as soon as he checks in, the lab manager knows the test which he has to go through, and he is correspondingly sent to carry out those tests. Now after those tests has been done, the user comes back and he has to check out. This checkout is a simple process. You just click on checkout. Now the user has checked out. Now this flow is this is the flow. Now the test usually takes around 1 day to more than 1 day to process, and the results comes out. So by that time that bookings are gone to that past bookings where he can upload reports. Now let me go through one of the reports. Okay, so now the user has two tests. So the lab manager is only allowed to upload the report for pathology tests manually, and the reports for radiology tests are auto uploaded to the server. So when you click on upload report, this basic forms comes up. You fill in the values and then do a save report. Okay, and usually it takes around 30 seconds. Now the lab manager can edit the report as many times as he can, but as soon as he clicks on submit report and the report is submitted, the whole report, all the reports becomes non-editable. So if I refresh, change those values, and do again save, do a refresh, these values are changed now. But now when you do a submit report, this is just a prompt to a warning that you cannot edit it after you submit it. So do a save report. Now the thing is, this button is gone now. You cannot update the reports now. So this is how the interface looks like now. Now when you go to bookings, you can just see there key it has changed to see reports instead of upload reports. Now this, as soon as the reports are uploaded and you go to the, it is now currently we updated the reports for 8 QIR and there's nothing there. So when we update it, the corresponding report for that test HBS AG is present. Now the radiology tests, there are certain sample reports which you have already uploaded and you can go through all of them, which is basically like looks like these images. You can go back to study list, click on any one of them. These are basically MRI images and these type of images are generally have a specific format and are used for radiology reports. Okay, now this is how the basic end-to-end flow works. The user boost does a booking, checks into the lab. The lab manager checks in that user, he checks him out. After 1 or 2 days, when the lab reports come in, the lab manager uploads those reports, and then the same reports can be accessed by the user at his dashboard. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll also add a link for, we made another video for explaining our vision, and I'll add a link to that video in our description. Thank you.